Hey, what's up you guys? Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a grabbing system. So first, just take my model, link in the description, just click on it and then read this. You can put any tool inside the tools folder and yeah, put the script in the script service like that and delete the model. Starter GUI, put them both in the starter GUI, delete that, and then put the tools inside the workspace. So now, let's test the game. Alright, let's test, see if it works. And as you can see, the GUI pops up, press E, and yeah, we have it. Just prove it if it works. You can't really just equip it, you have to press E to do that. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to click like and subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, see you guys next time.